Do you want to learn how to delete your Reddit account? Well, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do this. However, make sure to watch the entire video to the very end to avoid making any mistakes during the process. Keep in mind that if you choose to permanently delete your Reddit account, it cannot be recovered. If you're certain about proceeding, open a web browser on your iOS or Android device. Unfortunately, the option to delete your account is not available in the mobile app. It must be done through a web browser. Simply navigate to reddit.com. If prompted to continue in the mobile app, tap on Continue next to the web browser you're using. Once you've accessed Reddit via the web browser, log into the account you wish to delete and follow the steps below. For mobile users, click on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. If you're on desktop, select your username, then scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on Account Settings to access the account page. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll find a red Delete Account button. You may be asked why you're deleting your account, but providing a reason is optional. To proceed, enter your Reddit username and password and check the box that confirms you understand that deleted accounts are not recoverable. Finally, tap the Delete button. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm your decision to proceed. The page will then reload and your Reddit account will have been successfully deleted. We hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a fantastic day.